Hi to the Skin Games and Skin Game Judges. I'm Brenda Hogsett. This is week 8 of my open category hair restoration for the Skin Games. With me today I have my model husband, Jesse. Yes, he's a model husband. We conducted an 8-week case study on his thinning hair. The protocol that I used during the case study was my hair restoration protocol. The modality of high frequency used a neon orange gas. It operates on a specific wavelength to awaken dormant follicles, along with the Hydro Dermabrasion that helped to remove dead skin cells and to help open up the follicles. So the Procell Therapies hair restoration protocol was what I integrated with the protocol that I had made for Jesse's scalp treatments. We definitely addressed overall scalp health using the modalities and the Procell Therapies device with their hair system serum, a great marrying of the two protocols. My husband also had an aftercare routine, so he did use the DHT blocker shampoo, DHT blocker supplements, 30 SPF scalp sunscreen, and he also used the Procell Therapies home hair care serum. We'll let Jesse say what his experience was for this study.
Overall, it was a good experience. The treatment itself didn't hurt. A little uncomfortable, but it was worth it because beginning I had a lot of thinning hair and a lot of balding, so I wanted to address that. I noticed after about the 8 weeks, I didn't have a full head of hair, but I had hair growing from follicles that were dormant before.
Yeah.
I have little wispy hairs growing, and it's hard to tell where my thinning starts now versus how it used to be. That I used to have that you can't tell it's there anymore.
Right.
Definitely a confidence booster, and it's definitely, just in the short amount of time, the 8 weeks, definitely see some pretty amazing results. So overall, I'm very happy about it.
You're happy about it?
Absolutely.
Yeah, I love that. First and foremost, thank you, sweetheart, for being my model for the case study. I just want to say thank you to my husband for being my model for this study. And we did see the results that we were wanting to see and then some. He was getting a lot of fine vellus hairs growing in after about the second treatment. So I just want to say a huge thank you to my sponsor, Procell Therapies, for being my sponsor in the open category hair restoration of the Skin Games. Thank you for joining me for week 8 of the open category hair restoration of the Skin Games. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to the Skin Games and Skin Games judges and everyone watching. Bye. Special thanks to my sponsors, Procell Therapies and Lumera.